Welcome to GSL Gym City 1720, Boat Trail, Southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Yukon SLT. The SLT Yukon is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping in the interior real quick here, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, as well as memory seating. We have lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start feature, 4x4, as well as an integrated trailer braking system, leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning piloted through there. Automatic shifter knob is now moved up here to the buttons, clears things up in the center console a little. Push button ignition, brand new 10.2-inch touchscreen, OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities as well. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. You do have the rear climate, so there's a tri-zone climate control up here. We have USB ports, large wireless charging as well. We got the cup holders up front, black interior, Bose audio equipment, beautiful black leather seats with the gray piping and stitching, and the SLT leather seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of this beautiful GMC Yukon. Right away you notice those big black ugly transport wheels. That's because we have the custom 22-inch wheels on the way, yet to be installed on the vehicle. We do have color matched door handles with keyless entry, stationary running boards, rear tinted privacy windows on the side, blind spot detection, remote start, all equipped on the vehicle. We're coming to the front of the brand new Yukon. Right away you notice that big large GMC grille, fog lights, parking sensors on the front, and LED daytime running lamps up front there. Now coming back to the rear of the vehicle, sleek body lines, nice, clean, and simple. LED seat tail lamps, power tailgate, parking sensors, trailer tow hitch as well, all equipped on this brand new Yukon. Jumping into the interior here, we got our second row captain's chairs, both leather heated car seat ready. Beautiful black leather again with the gray piping. We have the quick fold up and stow up seats. Look how much room that gives us. Giving us access to the third row, a 60/40 leather split back there as well. 7-passenger full-size vehicle. We got the moonroof up front there, LED lighting throughout, rear zone climate control, heated seat buttons, USB ports, and an outlet, all in the back of that center console there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Yukon. If this is your next luxury 7-passenger SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.